Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now, I want to welcome to this channel. Welcome if you're new, brand new, checking me out for the first time. Hello, hi there. And if you're a returning viewer, I just want to wish you a welcome back and thanks for coming back and sharing all things calm living, planning, and organization with me. Comment down below and let me know how you're doing, what's good. I would love to know how's fall treating ya. In this video, I thought I would share with you something that I've really been looking into lately, and that is undated planners. Now, I have an assortment of planners here, not really an assortment, but it's the same planner, but in different colors. And I'm going to explain why I have all three here for an upcoming giveaway, just saying. But I want to talk about planners and some of the benefits of undated planners. Now, here on my channel, I really like to focus on calm living and things that bring you calm. And a lot of the things that I hear about planners in general is that they are too stressful, whether it be the layout or the format just doesn't work. And it just occurred to me that, you know what, sometimes having an undated planner could be the way to go that works for you. So what I wanted to do in this video is show you how an undated planner could fit your calm lifestyle and some of the benefits that having an undated planner will do to help you bring you to a calm life. So I'm going to put these aside and we're going to focus on one here, and that will be this one here. So this is the planner. This one is called a goals planner. And to be honest, I found this online. I think it was through my husband's Facebook. There was just a random person where I live in Nova Scotia who was selling these. And I thought I would pick up a couple, pick up one for myself just to see how I'd like it. It was extremely well priced. I believe it was $10 Canadian. And I picked up two for a giveaway. So if you want to hear the giveaway details, please keep on watching and I'll let you know how to enter the giveaway. But I thought it'd be great to help a local person, a local business owner, and she was wonderful to work with. Now, she didn't send me these items for consideration. She didn't ask me to showcase them in any way, shape, or form. I just actually offered, and it's like, hey, do you mind if I show it on my channel? Because, you know, some people might be interested. And she's like, please do. And so because of that, she's actually, anyone who's interested in purchasing it can get it for $8 instead of $10, and that would be Canadian. So yeah, great way to try out an undated planner and a great way to figure out if this planner would work for you as well. So here we go. So comes some of the benefits of having an undated planner would be less pressure. Now, I take this out of the box. I'm going to set the box aside here, and we're just going to have a look. The planner itself here is just very basic standard. It's a good size. It's coiled. The coils are strong-ish, and it has a part for events, for goals, and for the planner itself. And what I like about this, because it's less pressure, there's no specific dates. You can skip days or weeks without feeling guilty about wasted pages. And this can, reduce the stress that is often associated with rigid or dated planning. So always good. What I like about this is another benefit is customization. Undated planners allows you to personalize your planning style. So if you want to add washi, if you want to add certain fonts and dates, things like that, you can. You can create your own layout. Now, this layout is perfect here, but you can even rearrange or add different types of layouts to it, so you can allot it for different things. If you turn the page here, there's different parts here that you can, rename and customize for your lifestyle. So for instance, if you're not into exercising, you want to track something else, you can change that. And it's great. I love the fact that with undated planners, you can kind of customize it, how you like. And, this one here, it does have a little bit of, like a Monday, Tuesday, but that is easy to cover up as well. Next thing I love about undated planners is the flexibility. What I like about this is you can start any time of the year. If you can jump in and out of this planner if you want to, depending on your planning needs. And you don't have to wait to the beginning of a month or a year to start using this planner. So this is great for those who want to or who may not want to commit to a traditional calendar style or a calendar schedule. Next up is creativity. There's lots of opportunity for creativity here. If I go to the notes page, I can make some journal pages here, some notes, inspiration and ideas. I love this part. You can make even like a little vision board here and have your ideas here. It's so great to encourage you to have some creativity, allow for doodling, and just to allow your artistic expression to shine through. I love that. I love about a planner, one of the benefits I find is that it is really adaptable. The adaptability is great, and it can be adapted for various purposes, whether you have tasks, whether you have long-term goals, journaling, habit tracking, things here at the side, making versatile tools for organization is great with an Undated planner. And one thing I love about this planner is that it's goal oriented. And that's another benefit of having an Undated planner is that you can really focus on goals, and you can use the planner to set goals and track progress at your own pace. And it makes it easier to align your planning with your personal priorities and deadlines when you can focus on those goals. So I love that about this planner. It's so great. Again, extremely affordable and easy to use, not a lot of bells and whistles. But if you're somebody who wants to have the flexibility of jumping in and out of a planner without all the commitment that a dated planner has, this could be a good option for you. And there's so many ways in which you can really use this. And finally, the last thing that I love about Undated planners is the reusability. One of the things I'm finding is that if I fall out of a planner, if it's dated, I won't be able to use it because I feel like, with the dates on it and the setup of the calendar system, I just can't reuse it. But with an undated calendar, the reusability is wonderful. And since there's no set dates, you can use a planner for as long as you need. If you have a busy period and you can't plan for a while, like I have gone through those lulls every now and then, it's easy for you to pick it back up again without losing consistency with it, or without feeling guilty for having empty spaces and pages. So I thought that would be just kind of a good idea to share this with you. Like I said, I'm new to this planner. I just found it, and I thought it would be great to share with you folks. And just to remind you that even if it's not this planner, any Undated planner can give you the same benefits. And there's so many benefits to using an Undated planner, especially if you're looking for a more calm lifestyle, calm living. You can jump in and out of it when you need to. Sometimes you don't have to track everything. Sometimes you don't need to track everything. And just finding a planner that allows you the flexibility and the opportunity to plan at your own pace may just be the ticket for you for living a calm life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And now time for the giveaway. So I am going to be giving away 2 of these planners here. So this one I'm going to keep so I can share on the channel. This is the black one, but they also come in various colors here. Well, 2 colors. So I have it in a kind of a teal Tiffany blue, and I have it in a nice, beautiful pink. And so these planners will be available for 2 lucky winners, and the information will be placed in the description box down below. So if you're looking to win one of these planners, I highly recommend that you enter the giveaway for this opportunity. This is a beautiful planner, reasonably priced. If you're looking for information on how to pick up the planner for yourself, if you're not interested in the giveaway, please contact me, DM me on Instagram, and I'm happy to pass that information along to you. So thank you so much for watching and for sharing in some of the benefits of Undated planners with me. I hope you're all doing well. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more planning content to come in the future. So until next time, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.